First fish of the day.
Number 2 for the day. Fish number 3, Don. Fish number 4, Don.
Fish number 5. Fish number 6.
Fish number 7.
Fish number 8.
Headed out to Lake Don Pedro today, taking my son and my grandson out. We'll try and put some fish in the boat. I'll let them do most of the fishing all day. It'll be cold all morning. Good luck.
Water temperature is about 52 degrees. The air temperature, it's about 41 degrees. Fog is not here no more. The sun is out. Good luck.
Fish on. Pull up. There you go. Now, don't be a rookie again. Easy. Oh yeah, fish on. Oh. Doing some dancing. First fish of the day.
First fish of the day. Fish tacos.
That's like the 70s or 80s.
I still got him.
Oh, fish on.
You gotta lift him off that cliff.
There you go. Fill him out. Oh, fish on. No. He went to the other pole, huh? Oh, look at him dance back there.
They like this.
You better get ready on that net. Oh yeah, look at that fight. My lucky lure. Got him, all right. Don Pedro trout number 2 for the day. Okay, we've been out here for about an hour and a half. So far we got 2 fish in the boat. We're running 2 downriggers, one at 15 feet and one at 25 feet. The bites have come off of the lead core lines that are only running about 5 to 8 feet down, and on the downrigger that's at 15 feet. We're running the chrome apexes and then also a black and silver XL. Sun's trying to break through right now. The fog's trying to come roll over the top of us. But so far it's been a good day, and we're gonna keep on grinding and see how we do.
I saw something.
Fish on. Oh, stay down. Oh, it's a monster back there. You better make sure you scoop it good. We don't want to lose this one. What are you doing there? All right, fish number 3 at Don Pedro. Looks like we're getting about 1 an hour. Not fast and furious, but slow and steady. I'm not feeling a whole lot. Oh, there he is. Of course, as soon as I say it. A tiny one. Oh, a little action,
Get it out there.
There it is.
Oh, that was a nice fish.
Nice trout.
Around the corner.
Fish number 4, Don Pedro. About 45 minutes since the last one. Slow and steady.
Right here.
On. You feel the tug? The tug is the drug. Don't horse them now. Don't horse them. that's a big one. That's the biggest one of the day. Oh yeah, you better play that one. Oh yeah, that's a big one there. Oh yeah, that's a nice trout there. Oh, all right. Woo. That's a good fish there. All right, pound and 3/4.
Fish number 5, biggest one of the day so far. Took about 45 minutes. Because I did the math, that's like $240 every time extra that you're paying. It's $30.
Caught one in Haley's hole.
Poor Jordan's got to work. All right, that's a big one.
Fish number 6 took about 25-30 minutes. Caught this one on a purple assassin.
You got a fish on that one, I'm pretty sure. Check it. Put your phone away. Fish.
Fish on.
Fish on! Fish on!
Fish on. Haley's hole.
Oh, that's a dinker. Oh, that's not bad, not bad, not bad. All right, there you go. More Instagram.
I gotta make it look like I'm busy, you know?
Don't break the hook. Don't break the hook.
Oh, take your phone. Can't take you, no, and it's all on video. Fish number 7, Jordan over here broke the lure. I don't know, can't take him anywhere. Trying to get a picture for his Instagram post. He thinks he's so popular. All right, it's currently 11:15. We so far got 7 in the box. Lost 1 due to some lines being tangled up, but we're doing okay so far. Sun's come out and it's nice and warm, taking off the thermals, and we'll see if we can't get 2 limits for the day. Ooh, fish on, fish on. Oh, he's hopping back there. All right, got some head shake, got some head shake. Oh, that's a planter. Oh, that's a planter. Oh, there he is. Oh.
Too small. We're gonna throw this one back. Fish number 8.
All right, we're all done for the day. Reeling in the lines right now. We basically threw the tackle box at them today between watermelon apex, the all chrome apex, purple assassin, pink and purple wiggle hoochie, black and chrome XLs. They weren't really showing any patterns today, but other than that, we got 8 fish in the boat, threw 1 back, and lost a few at the boat. But we had a good day, sun came out. Great out here, and we'll see you on the next one. Good luck.